Alrighty, people, we are doing a shave. It is Saturday. This is a bad day, fucking shave, dude. Fuck Verizon Wireless, all I gotta say. We're not even gonna go into it. I need to talk to a real fucking person, like, instead of going through hoops and transfer to different million different departments. It's just aggravating as hell, guys. So anyways, as you can see, I've lathered up. Using my disco ball brush from Teton. We are using the Night Before Shave Soap and Matching Splash, guys. Awesome labels as usual, but let's actually go over the scent notes because they put it on the side, so it makes it easy for me. Pink peppercorn, balsam fir, mistletoe, rosemary, amber, sandalwood, vanilla, frankincense, and myrrh. So, it's a nice smell. I told you the notes. I'd say piney, but I think I pull sandalwood the most out of it, guys. So, DK enabled. He's been using this damn razor way too much, guys. I wonder if I should have added more water. What do y'all think? Well, we'll add a little bit of water and paint it in there. Let's make sure we get it nice and hydrated and wet and moist. So I don't want this shit drying up on me. I want to dip it and work this lather just a little bit more. There we go. I just don't want it drying out, guys. We're straight razor shaving today. So, Will Stam. Email will be below. Hit me up. We will send this to you. You won. Thank you. I appreciate it. I know Steve Walker cut it a little early because he was getting annoyed. So we did our job, guys. Got annoyed early. So, this is a Wacker Chevalier. Y'all can see it. DK, made me want to get one. I'll link where I got mine below. Superior Shave. Huh, fits my hand different than most everything else I have. And I believe this is the edge from Wacker. Shave ready. Superior Shave says he will re-hone it if you want, but he's leaving the edge on there because he thinks it's a good edge. So. Nice. Feeling good, guys. Cutting it down, bringing it down. Got some blooping going on, guys. My sink's a little over here. You couldn't see it on camera. There we go. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Rinse the blade. Wipe it off. That's what I was going to do. That's a CDB trick. Leave the blade pointed down. Wipe the water off. And they muted this point of this very nicely. Blind as a bat without these glasses, guys. Little rinsey rinse. Give it another wipe. I did shave. This morning used the Henson. It was a nice little shave. Used some Barbas. What's that? Valley of Fire by Talbot. Yeah, this is a service. Serviceable edge, guys. Straight from the manufacturer. A shave ready edge. Imagine it. Imagine this. So, DK, was this the razor they asked you if they wanted you to, if you wanted them to hone it before they sent it off to you? If so, it's because it was probably, I had pimples and stuff and like irritation from, I don't know. I think really I've just got pimples, guys, because my diet has been poor because I am a single man eating crappy food and bags of burritos. So, clean this up. And Will, you didn't aggravate Steve. He knew what I was doing. Nice. Chin is new again, guys. So, chin being new, haven't used it, done it in a while. Gonna be a little slow on the uptake on that, probably. So what can I say? I'm a slow fellow. So. Nice. Little too much pressure on that last little swipe, but it felt good. If I bleed this shave, it's because, you know, I just want to know I'm alive. Can y'all name that song? Scrape the head off a pimple right there. Oh yeah. There we go. I think we're gonna have a damn fine shave. I'm not gonna do too many touch-ups because guess what, guys? Second shave of the day. So we're gonna wipe it dry. See, I like the thumb notch. It doesn't have little jumps. I do like the way the thumb notch looks. Make sure I got it dry, nothing between the scales. Slightly close it for now. Clean it up later. So we're gonna pause, rinse, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we have rinsed up. We're feeling good. Dry that a little bit more. Make sure we're squeaky clean dry. I'll add the splash. Be smelling good. Oh, it's got the little protector on it still because I didn't open the splash when I got it in. I think I got this in yesterday. So There we go. Feels really good. Oh yeah. That's nice. No burn whatsoever. I like it. It feels good. So guys, I'll link the Splash, the soap below with the razor company. I'll link the razor at Superior Shave. And Will, email address below. Hit me up. Talk to you later, man. Y'all have a good one. And maybe we'll do another video in a day or two. I'm going to go see Steve Walker tomorrow.